some pissed off flow son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome pissed off flow son.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's going on, everybody? In my first video back. Been about 3 weeks instead of 2 weeks, but still got a few things going on, so a little delayed. Weather has delayed me a little bit. We've had some a lot of rain, and chillier temperatures again. Okay, so I'm on a Honda. This is Nicole's bike. I was thinking I already made a video on it, but I was going through my videos like, shit, I hadn't yet. So 2005 CBR 600RR. She needs some loving. Definitely needs some loving. I don't know why, but I really feel like I made a video about this bike, but I guess I didn't. I don't know. Got it from my buddy Travis. Hell of a deal on the bike. Got 42,000 miles on it. I don't feel like that's the right number. I really honestly feel like this bike has probably been sprocketed at one time, because it's got too much power. Like, this bike does not feel wore out at all. Anyway, so she's not running really very good right now. She's been running really good, but low RPMs, like idling, she's having a rough time. I'll figure that out. Anyway, so my coming back video from taking my 3-week break. How would y'all feel about us, me and Nicole both, making videos about, I'm gonna say fixing this bike up, not restoring it, but she's already ordered new plastics for it. They're sitting in the garage. We just gotta paint them. We gotta tear it down when it needs new throttle cable, new on and off switch. I mean, it all works, but the throttle cable is frayed a little bit, and these throttle cables are actually very hard to come by. I found one on Marketplace one day. A dude was selling the whole unit. I was like, bam, went out, got it, 50 bucks, no problem. The only other one I ever found was on eBay for like 300. So gotta replace that. Got the new chain all ready for it. Yeah, I got chain, fairings. I already put mirrors on it. I put mirrors on it about a month ago. And piece of advice, don't buy cheap mirrors, because they fucking snap off like nothing. Still don't even know how it broke off. All I know is it broke off, because the bike wasn't at my house, it was at Nicole's house. Went back over to pick it up to bring it back to my house, and the mirror was snapped off. So, and I just put these on there, but they were cheap. They weren't very expensive. Buy expensive mirrors if you want good mirrors. Anyway, so how would y'all feel about that? How would y'all feel about a video, maybe a series of watching us go through this bike, paint the fairings, because we're gonna do everything ourselves. I'm gonna show her how to paint the fairings. I'm gonna show her how to change the chain. While we have the fairings off, we're gonna clean it extensively. You know, Travis had just changed the oil on the bike, so it does need an oil change, but I do believe we're gonna go ahead and give it a tune-up though. I'm pretty sure it needs that. And also, let's touch on a few other things real super fast. I'm trying to make a quick video here because I got a lot of things I'm supposed to be doing today. It's Friday. I just woke up from my Friday nap from getting off work this morning. Still got a lot of things to do with my house to finish up, to make it livable for more people than just me. Like, I'm happy with the way it is just because I'm a man and it don't take much to please me. Also, I've been asked if we were going to do any more food review videos, and we had not really discussed that in a long ass time, but we might. Something doesn't feel right. It feels like I got a flat tire. There's a little turn off right here. Maybe I ought to check that really quick. Nope. She's got air in her. Anyways, me and Nicole had not talked about that in a really long time, so I know a lot of people hit me up because y'all want to see barbecue joints. I mean, it's Kansas City, right? Known for barbecue, so I imagine at some point we will. Just kind of not in our plans right now. I was hoping to have all my new gear before I made my new videos, and I don't have it. It really sucks. I've got a few new things. I do have a new camera. Can be using as a, it could be used as a vlogging camera, not for motovlogging, just regular vlogging. I got a Canon 90D. Some bitch is fancier than anything I've ever fucking used before. Way better than this goddamn iPhone. So pictures on my Instagram coming up soon will be a lot better. A lot better. A lot better quality. My iPhone did amazing. I'm not gonna lie about that. Let's get up here and open this bike up a little bit real quick. Revved out to 12 and stopped. 12,000 RPMs and it quit. What the fuck? That's weird. I mean, I've had this bike up to 142 so far. 146. That's what it was. 146. After 12. Bike should rev out to fucking 15, 16. What the hell? Yeah, that'll be something else to look at. So yeah, let me know if you guys like to watch some kind of video like that. You know, it's not going to be like one of them other big YouTubers. It's going to be when we can work on it, we'll work on it. It's not going to be some huge fucking production. It's just going to be like us in the garage working on it. That's it. Keep a lookout on Instagram for new content coming out there. Let me know if y'all want to see these food eating videos. Oh yeah, this bike does have a full fucking system on it. I can't remember what system, but it does have a full system on it. Man, this thing's going the way I want to go. know one thing about this bike is it's a son of a bitch to get to do a wheelie, but it's dropped really low in the front and it's not dropped in the back. It's like really tall, really high in the back, so it's makes it a little bit harder to get it to do a wheelie. Hopefully new drone content coming soon also. New rider bag content should be coming very, very soon for your rider bag needs. So this is just gonna be, you know, a really fast, quick video. I'm back. Got new things coming. It's kind of the break I needed, the jump start I needed. Everything that's been going on with me lately. So everything's going a lot better. Things going really good right now. I appreciate everybody's patience and support. What a bad wheelie. First gear power up, didn't even clutch it. So if you're new here, if you're just watching my videos for the first time, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go back, check out some of the old videos. If you're not new here and you've been here already, well, make sure you come back. I mean, I don't understand how come you're not watching my videos every day. What the fuck's wrong with you? I wouldn't watch my videos every day either. Thanks for everybody for sticking around. Thanks for the 745 subscribers. I still want to hit that 1,000 this year. And after I hit my 1,000, that's it. I'll never say another thing about another subscriber, you know, about gaining. So hopefully we can still hit that this year. It's pretty tall order this late in the year already for YouTube anyways. Oh wait, one more thing. Teespring. Be bringing Teespring back very, very soon. Why did the bike just die? Teespring will be back, coming back very, very quickly, very soon. And on that note, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.